Hi, today I'd like to show you the reasons why it makes sense to use a protection plate for the EMAX Nighthawk 280 quad, Nighthawk Pro 280 quad. The special thing at this copter is that you have an electronics plate at the bottom of the copter, which is really the lowest point of your copter. So if you crash with bottom side down, you get the risk to damage your electronics plate and you have to replace it. It's around $70 or something. So I try to reduce the risk to get the electronics plate damaged. So what I did is just cut out this carbon plate. It's made of 1 millimeter thick or thin carbon, and I just want to show you the thing about the installation. You can use some double-sided tape or something to put it on. I prefer the way to install it with screwing. The reason is the following. When I put the plate on the copter, you have some space between your protection plate and your electronics plate, and that's really important because, as you can see here, we have the connector which goes to each motor, and if you don't have space, enough space between your electronics plate and your carbon plate, you will shortcut your electronics and you will burn your electronics, and you can throw away the whole electronics plate and you have to replace it. So make sure that you have space between your electronics plate and your protection plate, and like this you won't have any problems with shortcuts or something. What you need as hardware is at least 4 longer screws, because the original screws are not long enough to go through the additional plate and to put on additional nuts, and for sure 4 nuts to fix the whole thing. And as you can see, when you put it together, you can for sure also use 8 longer screws and 8 nuts, but it's just more weight. It doesn't help. It doesn't make the thing more rigid or something. So I prefer to use not too much additional hardware just because of the weight. And like this, you have the whole thing installed and looks nice and is really a perfect protection for your electronics plate. Well, that's all about it. I hope you liked the video. Just leave a comment below the video if you're interested in the plate, and I will write you back. Okay, have a good time, enjoy your Nighthawk. Bye bye.